The second bank raid that we had here, we were confronted by two men, one with a sawn-off shotgun, and as soon as I pressed the alarm system, the smoke cloak system fired, and it was excellent. The gunmen didn't have time to do anything really. They left the branch, and I felt quite happy, quite secure behind the counter because of the smoke system, and I can't praise it highly enough.
This is a normal counter area in one of our stores, which you would normally expect the burglars to attack. But as you can see, the ceiling mounted smoke cloak is aimed to protect this area. And always remember, you can't steal what you can't see.
This is an example of smoke cloak instant protection stopping loss. TTL Group had a smoke cloak fitted recently after a series of break-ins. On Sunday the 13th of April, the thieves returned for another go. They made a determined effort to break through the steel security door at the rear of the premises, and after 5 minutes or so of crowbars and throwing themselves at it, they succeeded. Crossing the inner lobby, they triggered the alarm approximately 10 seconds prior to smashing the hinges off the door between the inner lobby and the loading bay, which was protected by smoke cloak. They just had time to enter the loading bay before being engulfed in the smoke. 13 seconds later, about 23 seconds after triggering the alarm, they were running for their lives. No stock was lost.
This horrendous smoke is harmless. There are stairs in this area which may be hidden. Please stand still and breathe normally. The police are on their way.